Okay, let's see. Find the speed of dynamo shaft when first condition there is no slip. There is no slip, and second condition is there is a slip of 2% at each drive. Let's see, this is a compound. In this compound belt drive, this is first pulley. In the first pulley, 750 mm diameter. First pulley is 750 mm diameter, and the second one is 450 diameter. 450 diameter, and this one 450 diameter, and third one, this is third pulley is 900 mm diameter, this one, and last one, this is a drive, this is driven 150 mm diameter. First one is 750, second one 450, third pulley is 900, and the last one is 150. This mediator, this one is line shaft, and last this one is a dynamo shaft. In this question, find out the speed of dynamo shaft. This one, speed of the dynamo shaft when there is no slip, first condition. Next second, there is a slip of 2% at each drive, at each this one, and for each 4 is 2% of slip. Let's see, given data is in this one. First of all, write down given data. Okay, in this one, what is the given data? N1 is equal to N1 is equal to 150 rpm. Okay, next D1 is equal to 750. Next D2 is equal to 450 mm. D3 is equal to 900. Next D4 is equal to 150. Okay, next given data is all slips. Slip 1 is equal to slip 2 is equal to 2%. Okay, this is a given data. In this given data, there is a one speed is there, is given one speed 150 rpm, and D1 is equal to 750, D2 450, D3 is 950, the D4 is 150 mm. Next S1 is equal to S2 is equal to 2%. Already we know that S is equal to S1 plus S2. This is a one equation. Okay, see here in this one, find out the first is we know by first pulley speed 150. Find out the last dynamo shaft speed. Dynamo shaft speed is like in this one, this is N1, 2 is N2, N3, this one is N4. Okay, find out the N4. One of the in this any compound drive, velocity ratio formula is N2 by N2. In this one, N4, last driver is N4 by N1 is equal to N4 by N1 is equal to D1 diameter 1 pulley into D3. This is in this one, in this compound, this is driver and this is also driver, D3 by driven pulleys N2 N4. Okay, N2 N4. This is a equation. In this equation, consider first one is no slip, this is no slip, and consider slip percentage, that is also another one. And write, mark this one, highlight this one. Okay, velocity ratio is equal to n4 by n1 is equal to d1 into d3 by n2 into n4. This is for compound belt drive. This is for compound belt drive. Okay, next coming to the we know given data. Okay, just find out n4 find out n4 then substitute no slip. In this no slip formula is n4 by n1 is equal to d1. Already we know that d1 is equal to 750 into d3 is 900 by d2 is 450 into 150. Okay, and n was already we know that n1 is 150. Then n4 is equal to 750 into 900 into 150 by 450 into 150. Okay, 150 cancel, 750 1 450 2. n4 is equal to 750 into 2 1500. n4 is equal to 1500 rpm. Okay, this is n4. Next find out this is for no slip. Consider no slip. Okay, next consider slip. See, consider slip. This is a compound belt drive. In this compound belt drive there are two conditions. One is a slip, another one is considering slip. Okay, see, considering second condition is there is a slip of 2%. Slip of 2%, there is a slip. Consider slip is equal to 2%. Okay, in this considering slip there is one formula is there, n4 by n1. This is for compound belt drive. Compound belt drive, already we know that compound belt drive is equal to d1 into d3 by d2 into d4 into same as it is a slip. There are two slips, one by s1 by 100 into 1 minus s2 by 100. Okay, s2 by 100. In this one already we know that in this question s1 is equal to s2 is equal to 2%. Consider this one n4, already we know that n4, but n4 by 150, in first condition n4 is equal to 1500. We find out n4 is equal to this one, d1 is equal to 750 into d4 is equal to 900 by 450 in d2 is equal to 450 into 150. Okay, next 1 minus s1 is equal to 2 by 100 into 1 minus 2 by 100. Okay, next simplify this one, simplify this equation, like answer is answer, simplify this one, n4 direct n4 is use your calculus and find out n4. After simplification, n4 is equal to approximately 1440 rpm. Okay, this is a consider slip, and this one is a no slip. Okay, this is example for use considering slip or no slip. Okay, understood? Okay, in this one, find out, first of all, find out the speed n4 is equal to, then n4 no slip, in this no slip n4 by n1 is equal to d1 into d3 by d2 into d4. Substituted diameters, there are 4 diameters is there in this question. Okay, understood? Thank you.